Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your capture card to OBS with the audio. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So in this video, I will be using the Live Gamer Ultra from Avermedia, and I'm going to be using it on Streamlabs OBS. And this is a very simple tutorial, and I'll go through all the processes right now. So let's jump over to OBS. So on the left-hand side, you will have your scenes. Let's go ahead and create the scene we want to add the capture card to. So go to this plus icon and add a new scene, and let's just call it Live Gamer Ultra for my capture card, and go to done, and it's going to be added to the bottom. So now I have a black screen. Let's go over to sources and go to the plus icon and add a new source. Now let's go to video capture device, and this is what you would go to also add your web camera. So let's go to video capture device, and I already have it listed in here, but we can go to add new source, do this, and then just name it what you want, and go to add source, and you'll have devices right on top. And right now my web camera is showing up. Let's go to this and then go to Live Gamer Ultra. Your capture card should be appearing in here if you have it hooked up via HDMI. So I have Live Gamer Ultra video. So when you go ahead and select your capture card now, it will display in the back here. I'm going to use Live Gamer Ultra Stream Engine 1. So I can see it in the background, and you can go ahead and customize it how you want. If you want to change the resolution to make it a little bit smaller, I'm going to leave it at default device, and then go to done. So it's in the background now. I'm going to right click on this window here, then go to transform and stretch to screen so it takes up the entire screen. So I have my capture card in there now, and when I move it around, everything should display on the screen correctly. Yep, it's working and it's looking good. Now let's go back to sources and go to add new source. Select this option. Now what we're going to do is add a audio source for this capture card, and we will want to go to audio input capture. Select this and go to add source. Now what you'll need to do is go to add new source by selecting this and rename it what source you want. I'm going to go ahead and choose my Live Gamer Ultra audio right here and add it as a source. Then I'm going to select this audio right here. So under here, this will be for your microphone. So here is my Blue Yeti microphone. This is what I usually use to talk. And my capture card will show up as a audio device. So I can literally just capture my audio through the HDMI cable on my capture card. So once I select this and add it to my sources, I'm going to be able to pick up the audio from a capture card that easy. So now under the mixer, you will see my capture card, the Live Gamer Ultra, and then I have it renamed for my audio, Live Gamer Ultra Audio, and it's working and it's going up and down in the mixer. I can slide this to make it a little bit louder. Now if I go to the top here and select Open Advanced Audio Settings, I can monitor my Live Gamer Ultra audio by going to Monitor and Output, and I'll be able to hear everything that's going on my game. And this will allow me to use my headphones and hear the game audio. So here's Call of Duty. When I shoot, I can hear it coming over my speakers, my headphones, and I'll use an external microphone on my PlayStation to talk to my friends if we're not in Discord. And this is a good way to get the audio inside your headphones and be able to hear people in Discord at the same time without using a mix amp. Now, if you don't want the Live Gamer Ultra capture card to show on here, you can hide a mixer source because you're not going to have any sound from that anyway. So it's just going to be taking up a spot. You just go to the settings option right next to the speaker icon and go to hide, and it'll disappear from here. And at any point in time you want to see it again, there's an option to unhide all, and it'll show up right here. So you're not going to have any audio from that. That's just a video capture device, and it has a mixer audio section to it. So just get rid of it so it doesn't appear under here. So now we have our audio, and we have our gameplay in the background for a capture card, and it's that easy. From here, you just add different sources. So here's my main source where I'll be gaming. I have my webcam on there, and it's very easy to do. And I'll switch over to my different scenes here. So I have full screen. Boom. If this video did indeed help you add your capture card to OBS, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more OBS tech help videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.